Fix on two sides of one piece of the banner with clamps. Align the picture and fix it. Press vacuum button to absorb the banners. Press forward button with ganged button to drive the main frame. Turn up-down switch to down position. Press HF button to start welding. Adjust the current as per the thickness of banner. When welding finished, press the HF button, then press stop button. At last, press backward button with ganged button. The main frame will auto-stop when back to starting position. Release the clamps and unload the banner. Rope welding demo. Unload insulation cloth. Unload the cloth guided frame, then install the rope guided frame. Pass the insulation cloth through the rope guided frame and connect with cloth laminate. Install the rope tightener onto the work plate. Insert the rope and tighten up the rope. Fold the edge of banner with rope. Starting the machine to weld.